Hello and welcome to my channel, The Candyology. Hope you all guys are doing fine. No, I know you all guys are in lockdown situation just because of coronavirus. And I know you all are missing traveling also. So today I'm going to share a few tips for traveling after coronavirus outbreak. Yes guys, no question about it. People will travel after coronavirus. But how? How they can travel? Let's find out in this video and make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Yes, first look for the deals and focus on value. Let's assume the coronavirus crisis is over. Don't hesitate to book if you find a bargain for late spring, summer, or winter. But don't focus exclusively on price. Instead of that, look at overall value of the deal. What does that mean? Are they throwing in attraction tickets or including meals? You know what I mean. Number second, focus on longevity. Means focus on long service they are providing to you. Stay away from too good to be true offers from unknown operators. Chances are there will be a lot of sales from desperate companies on the verge of bankruptcy. You need to focus on well-known brands that are financially stable. Number 3. Consider travel insurance, a must-have thing while traveling. A reputable insurance policy will protect you if an operator goes out of business. If you can't find a good policy, then use your credit card to make your purchase. It can also offer protections from financial insolvency. That's all for today's guys. Travel will continue after the coronavirus outbreak. The industry will return sooner than you think and with some great deals. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Candyology.